So today we're going to talk about oligopolies. There are a couple characteristics that identify an oligopoly. The main characteristic is that there are few producers and many consumers. Now some oligopolies collude. Altogether, they work as a group. As a group, they act as a monopoly by setting the quantity of the product produced and the price of the product that maximize the group's profit. If the collusion is made public, the group is called a cartel. An example of public collusion is OPEC, or the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now, some oligopolies compete with each other. An example of this is airline companies. Now, when only two companies have dominant control over a market, the oligopoly is called a duopoly. Now we're going to take a look at the vulnerability of collusion in oligopolies. Remember, when firms collude as a cartel, they act as a monopoly. Therefore, they face a downward sloping demand curve. Now, to maximize the cartel's profit, they will find the quantity where the cartel's marginal revenue is equal to the cartel's marginal cost. In the graph on the left, the cartel maximizes its profit at cartel Q star and the cartel price, or P star. Now the cartel will divide its total profit maximizing quantity, or cartel Q star, among the member firms in the cartel. Let's just say that the graph on the right represents a single member of the cartel. They are allocated a quantity of lowercase q star, or cartel allocated q star. We can see in the graph that the profit with lowercase q star equals P star minus ATC star, altogether multiplied by q star. We can see this profit in the blue cross shaded region. This firm, however, recognizes that it doesn't maximize its profit at the cartel Q star. The member firm will maximize its individual profit where its individual marginal cost equals its individual marginal revenue. This occurs at the quantity of Q caret. We can see that the profit with the member's profit maximization quantity of Q caret is P star minus ATC caret, altogether multiplied by Q caret. In the graph, we can see this in the yellow shaded region. Because the firm's individual profit, seen with the yellow shaded region, is greater than the profit with the cartel's allocated quantity, the blue cross shaded region, the firm has an incentive not to follow the cartel. If all member firms of the cartel produce at a greater quantity than allocated by the cartel, the price of the product will decrease, and ultimately, the oligopoly will collapse. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.